Make your sustainable statement. Check out these tips on how to reduce, reuse, and recycle here at NC State University. Begin with sustainability in mind. PackSmart encourages students moving onto campus to pack more strategically. Not only does packing smart save you money, but it also saves resources and space. Visit go.ncsu.edu/PackSmart for tips from students and staff. Students living on campus this year can also tag their photos on Twitter and Instagram with hashtag PackSmart20 to share their own tips and to win prizes. Sort your stuff. When your room recycling container is full, be sure to recycle all of your bottles, cans, paper, and cardboard into the green mixed recycling dumpsters located outside of your residence hall. Keep it loose and do not place your plastic bags in these dumpsters, as they can jam equipment at the recycling centers. Yellow bins are also available for electronics recycling. CDs, ink cartridges, and batteries can be placed in these yellow bins. You can also take your pizza boxes, leftover pizza slices and crust, and paper plates and napkins to the pizza box composting dumpsters. These are available at select locations on campus. Bring your own bag whenever possible to reduce our plastic waste. Remember, plastic bags can only be recycled in special bins at select C stores or at local grocery stores. Otherwise, they should be placed in the landfill bin. Move Out will be here before you know it, and the WOOF Pack and Give program allows you the opportunity to donate all of your unwanted items, including clothing, furniture, and food. Look to donate at a pack rat placed near your residence hall. As always, remember to sort your stuff between recycling and landfill in order to reduce our waste. Have questions about recycling? Want to get involved on campus? Volunteer at sporting and sustainability related events? Then visit recycling.ncsu.edu and follow us on social media at NC State Recycles. We are here to help you make your sustainable statement. Go Pack!